Model, 69 plate Peugeot Boxer 2.2 335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L3H2 body, white, panel van mileage, 107,205 MOT, the 2nd of January 2025 engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, cruise control, sat-nav, parking sensors EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £7,595 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.